We are continuing with the specimen paper. Okay. Sixth one. Can somebody read the question for me?
On dissolution of a firm, outside liabilities are 21,000, partners' capital are 3,60,000, cash is 30,000, other asset realized is 4,50,000. Gain and loss on realization will be
Okay. So when there is a dissolution of the firm, can you tell me what happens?
the firm will be closed and assets and liability will be paid off and sold.
Hmm.
Yes.
What happens?
The assets and liability will be paid off and be sold.
Okay, fine. Now try this sum, giving you 1 minute to try, and then I will explain. Chalo, when the firm dissolves, what happens is we pay all outside liabilities. Yes or no?
Yes.
We sell all assets.
Yes.
Okay. We sell all the assets. We pay all outside liabilities. If there is any undistributed profits or losses, we distribute that.
Yes.
Okay. After distributing the undistributed profits and losses, whatever is left, what do we do?
We'll give it to the partners.
We will give it to the partners. Very good. Now you'll have to start using the calculator. Outside liabilities is how much?
2,10,000.
210,000. And cash is how much?
Cash. Cash is 30,000.
3
30,000.
lakh.
Unless please answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Come on, now understand. I want to know the gain or loss on realization. So this is my realization account. Are you with me?
Yes.
After selling all the assets, I have received how much?
Uh, 30,000.
450,000.
Sorry,
Other assets
450.
realized.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So my assets that is realized is how much?
450.
450,000. I have paid all the liabilities. So after I pay all the liabilities, how much is balance with me? To calculation, you'll have to do the calculation yourself. Unless
Uh,
please switch on
two,
your video.
2,40,000.
2,40,000.
40.
Yes.
Okay. I had how much cash with me?
30,000.
30,000. So the cash that was with me is 30,000. So total now how much do I have?
270.
2,70,000.
Yes.
Partner's capital is 360,000.
Yes.
So can you tell me, am I having a profit or a loss? This is the balance money that is left with me. What is the balance money left with the firm? 270,000.
270.
They sold the assets, paid the
Yes.
liabilities, and they have cash this much. 270,000 is left with them. Are you with me?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
From this 270,000, they have to pay 360,000 to the partners.
Yes.
Is money sufficient to pay the partners?
No.
No. So that means after paying, I still have to pay them. I have 270,000 left. You all will start
Yes,
doing
ma'am.
the minus yourself without the calculator. So 10 take away 7 is 3 and 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. 16 minus 7, 3, 6, 9. So
90.
90,000 is the deficiency that I have after I sell my assets, pay liabilities. I am unable to pay partners 360,000.
Yeah.
So what would be my profit or loss on realization?
It will be loss on realization 90,000.
90,000.
Yes, it will be loss. 90,000.
Okay. So it is 90,000 loss. Are you with me? Option B.
Yes.
Come on. Read the question number 8.
Y, Z.
Read, please.
X, Y, and Z are partners sharing profit in 7:2:1. Y retires on 1st April 2023 and amount transferred to his loan account is rupees 10,08,000. No, 1,08,000.
1,08,000. Yeah, read.
Which is payable in 3 equal annual installments together with interest at 6% per annum. The total amount paid for the last installment along with interest will be
Okay. Can you all give me the steps? Come on. Yasir. Who has retired?
Uh,
Y.
Y has retired.
Okay. Y has retired. Okay.
Yes.
What is the amount that is to be,
1
that
lakh.
has been transferred in his loan account?
1,08,000.
1,08,000. This 1,08,000 is to be given in how many installments?
3 installment.
3 installments. So 1,08,000 divided by 3. I hope you all know how to do calculation.
Yes.
Please do and tell
Yes.
me. How will you do? 3 ones are 3.
3,600.
3 threes are 9. 1 carry. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18. 3 6 are 18. So amount per installment is how much?
36,000.
Amount per installment is 36,000. Are you with me?
Yes.
So one installment will be for 36,000.
Yes.
Interest is 6% per annum.
Yeah. Okay.
So 6% per annum. So 108,000 into 6%, how much?
It's
1080 multiplied by 6. Use your calculator. No, don't use your calculator. Do your calculation with hand. 8 6 are
86. 48.
48. 6
6.
zeros are 0 and bring down the 4.
Yes.
And 6 square.
Yes.
So interest amount is how much?
Yeah. Interest amount is
680.
640.
So total amount will be how much?
Total
36
amount.
plus 6480. 0, 8, 4, 6 plus 6, 12, 1 carry, 42,
42,000.
480.
Yes.
Is our interest amount correct?
Yes.
So amount paid for the last installment along with interest. 6480 is the interest.
Yes.
Interest 6% is 6480. This also has to be paid in 3 equal installments, right?
Yes.
So divide by 3. 3 ones are,
2164.
3 twos are, 3, 6, 9, 12, 4s are 12, 2 carry, 3 nines are 27, 1,
Yeah, I could say.
2, 4, 9, 3.
Wait. 6480 divided by 3. No, it's 2160, right?
Sorry,
It's 2160.
what is 2160?
The amount 6480 divided by 3.
6480 divided by 3 is 2160. Let's check. I did 6480 divided by 3. 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 fours are 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. 2 carry. Am I doing something wrong? 6480 divided by 3. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 1 carry. 3 6 are 12, 18 and 0. Yeah, 2160. So what is the amount that is payable per installment? 36,000, which is my base amount. And for interest, how much? 2160. So what is the total amount? Anas, calculate, don't just sit. 0618 38,160. Okay?
One,
38,160. Here the mistake that we can do is we can calculate interest for the full year together. And every year he has to pay interest, but that is not the case. You calculate interest once and distribute amongst 3. Okay?
okay.
Yasir, can you please switch on your video?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is come on. Read this one, give me the answer.
Goodwill brought by a new admitted partner is shared by old partners in old ratio.
True or false?
Say it. True.
Goodwill is distributed amongst the old partners in sacrificing ratio.
True.
Yes, ma'am.
It is
Old
not
button source ratio.
distributed in old ratio. It is
No,
distributed in sacrificing
sacrificing.
ratio. And nothing is given, so sacrificing ratio is always equal to the old ratio. Okay?
Yeah.
So this is false. Come on, let's go to the next one. Case of admission of a partner, the entry for unrecorded investment will be how much?
Unrecorded investment.
We
Uh,
Investment account debit
okay.
to
to
realize credit realization.
revaluation account.
Okay. Why am I debiting investment
Ah,
account? Because
is
asset is
coming.
increasing.
Yes.
Yes.
And revaluation account, all the good thing happens here, all the bad thing happens here.
Yes.
So the good thing. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, next one. 10th one. Yasir, read.
A company forfeited 1,000 share of rupees 10 each. Rupees 7 called up for the non-payment of rupees 2 first call. All the shares were reissued at rupees 5 per share. What will be the amount transferred to capital reserve account?
Now listen to me, Anas. The face value of the share is how much?
Face value of the share is 10.
10 rupees. Okay, fine. I called up 7.
Yes.
I called up 7 for non-payment of rupees 2. That means on this share, I have called up rupees 7 and the people have not paid how much?
People have not paid 3. Amount 3.
For non-payment of rupees 2.
Sorry. 2.
10 was the face value. I have
Yes.
called for 7 and people have not paid how much?
2.
So what is the money that I have received?
Money received is 7. 7.
7 was called up, right?
Yes.
And they have not paid how much?
2.
They have not paid 2. So what is the
Well,
money that I have received?
uh, called me. Yes. That means
I called
9,
up
7.
7.
Yes, 7. 7 is a
I
called up
did not
money
receive
received.
2.
Yes.
I called up 7. I did not receive how much? 2.
2.
2.
So money received is how much?
5.
7. Eh?
अरे 7
5.
मांगा यार, 2 रुपया
Four.
नहीं मिला.
7. Yeah,
Okay,
sorry. Yes, yes.
7 I called.
Sorry.
People did not pay 2. So money received is how much?
5.
5. Okay, fine. I have received rupees 5. Okay, fine. All these shares were reissued at 5.
Okay.
And I reissued all these shares at how much?
5.
What is the amount that is transferred to capital reserve? Can you tell me what is the amount that I usually transfer to capital reserve?
Uh, the amount usually transferred LPF. Uh, uh,
So, like,
the excess amount, like which is not used. The money received will be transferred to capital reserve.
no, the
Anas,
reissued.
from
Ah,
7 rupees, I already received 5.
Yes.
I did not receive 2. Because I did
Yes.
not receive this 2, I reissued the share. I reissued the share at how much? 5.
5. Yeah.
5 में से I will subtract the 2 that I did not receive.
Yes.
So I am getting how much extra profit?
3.
3,000.
3.
3,000.
How much
3
extra
Yeah.
zero.
profit I am getting?
3.
3,000. So I
Yes.
am
3
receiving,
multiplied by
when
10.
I am reissuing the shares, when I am reissuing the shares, I am reissuing it at 5. From this, I have to adjust how much? I have to adjust 2 that is not received.
Yes.
So what is my profit per
3 is the
share?
profit. 3.
3 is the profit. So it 3
Yeah.
will be transferred to capital reserves. So amount
Okay.
will be 3,000. Okay,
Yes.
I go to the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Which one is correct? Is not correct.
Oh,
Calls in advance is not a part of share capital. How many of you agree?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is true. Issued capital cannot be more than subscribed capital.
Uh, mm,
Shoot.
If I issue 10,000, people can subscribe how much?
yes, more than that. They can subscribe. It's
Okay.
false.
People can subscribe. So that means oversubscription is possible.
Yes.
Unless is it possible?
Yes, ma'am.
Share forfeiture amount is added to share capital.
Uh,
Your
yes.
future amount
Ye-
is added to share capital.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am. Share forfeited amount is added to share capital.
So whatever I forfeit, okay, that is actually a part. Forfeit, that means I take away. It is actually a part of share capital. So this is true. And even
Yes.
reserve capital is shown in the balance sheet. Even this is true. What is
Yes.
reserve capital? Can you tell me?
Reserve capital,
Hmm?
uh, which is kept for the future use of the business.
Sorry?
For the future use of the business if there is any loss or a dissolution
Yeah.
of the business.
Reserve capital is a capital that you can use only at the time of dissolution. Okay. So
Yes.
that is also shown in the balance sheet. So our answer is option number 3. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, go to the 12th one. Anas, read.
Tushar Limited settled the application by allotting the shares in the ratio of 5:3. Mahesh applied for 2000 shares. The number of shares allotted to Mahesh is
Okay. Tushar settled the application by allotting the shares in the ratio of 5:3. What does this mean? For every 5 shares applied, I am going to issue how many shares? 3.
Yes.
Okay. Tushar settled the application by allotting shares in the ratio of 5:3. That means for every 5 shares applied, I am going to issue 3 shares. Mahesh has applied for how many shares?
Mahesh applied for 2000 shares.
So how many will I issue is question mark. What I issue is actually allotted to them. So I will cross multiply 2000 into 3 by 5. Please do the calculation.
2000 into 3, 6,000. 6,000 divided by 5 is, I don't know.
5 ones are 5 fours are 20, 0, 0, 400 into 3. You have to please do
1,200.
calculation properly.
1200.
So 1,200 shares has been allotted to Mahesh.
Yes.
Done?
Yes.
Come on, read. Next question.
Yeah. We, Daisy Limited forfeited 200 share rupees 10 each of R issued at premium of 10 for non-payment of final call rupees 3. Out of these 100 share were issued as fully paid up of 15. The amount to be transferred to capital reserve is
Okay, fine. Now listen to me.
uh,
200 shares are forfeited. This I should know. Okay. Shares are for 10.
yes.
I have issued at premium
So, yes.
10%. So my issue price is how much? 11. Capital is how much? 10. Securities premium is 1. So total amount at which I will issue is 11.
Yes.
Okay. And premium I am going to receive in allotment.
Okay.
Are you with me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
sir.
I have forfeited these shares for non-payment of final call 3.
Yes.
Okay. So
So,
final call was how much?
final call was 3.
3. So total amount received was how much?
10. 10? No, no, sir.
From 11, 3 I
Yes.
have not received. So
Yes.
total amount received was how much?
7. No, sorry, 8, 8, 8, 8,
8.
8.
8,
Are you with
8.
me?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, fine. So total amount I have received is 8.
Yes.
Total received is 8. From this 8, premium is how much?
Premium is 1.
Capital is 7. Premium is 1.
1.
Not received is how much?
Not received is
Is
3.
3. Okay, fine. Out of these, 100 shares were issued as fully paid up.
Yes.
I have issued 100 shares, reissued 100 shares.
Yes.
For how much?
Uh,
15.
15.
Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. From this 15, I will adjust not received how much?
3.
Not received 3. So balance is how much?
12.
Balance is how much?
12.
12. What is the amount that I will transfer to capital reserve?
12. Oh, wait. 1 minute.
What is the face value of the share?
Face value is 10, right?
Face value is 10.
Yes.
Premium is, if for I'm
1.
talking about this one,
Yeah,
premium
it's
is
1.
5.
Yeah.
From this face value, I have to adjust the not received.
Yes, ma'am.
3.
Yes.
So 7 will be transferred to capital reserve. The premium money always goes to securities premium.
Okay.
So 7 into 100. It should be 700.
Yes.
Okay. Now can you give me a format and can you write in your notes also, Yasir?
Yes,
Amount
ma'am.
transferred to capital reserve.
Amount transferred to capital
But how do
reserve.
you calculate the amount transferred to capital reserve?
To calculate amount transferred to capital reserve, first we have,
On forfeiture.
yeah,
Right.
the non-payment. First, you have to check the non-payment.
How to calculate amount transferred to capital reserve on forfeiture. Check face value. Check amount received in respect of face value. Check amount not received. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
First we check the face value 10. Amount received of the face value is how much? 7.
Amount received is 7.
Face value is 7. And amount not received from the face value is 3.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Then we see reissue value. See reissue value.
Okay.
Split it in face value and premium.
Uh,
Correct?
yes.
So Anas, what is my reissue value over here? 15? Yeah?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I split it into the face value 10 and 5. So face value 10 and 5. See reissue value. From that deduct amount not received. See reissue value, from that deduct amount not received. So I will deduct amount not received, that was 3 in this case. I will get amount to be transferred to capital reserves. So from the reissue value, when you adjust the amount not received, you get amount transferred to capital reserve.
जी ma'am.
Come on, read.
Interest assertion. Interest on drawing increase profit of a firm
Come on, tell
Reason.
me, what is this assertion? What does this mean? What is interest on drawing?
Interest on drawing means like the amount, a particular amount set for the drawing.
See, what is drawings? Suppose this is the firm, okay?
Capital. Yeah, capital of the
This
firm.
is the partner. Partner takes away money from the firm.
Yes.
That is called drawings, correct?
Yes.
Anas, are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Partner takes away money from the firm, that is called drawings. What is interest
Yes.
on drawings?
Interest on drawings, the partner has to give additional amount to the
Yes.
firm.
Okay. So this is interest on drawings. It comes from the partner to the firm. It comes from
Yeah.
the partner to the firm, interest on drawings.
Yes.
So firm is receiving interest on drawings.
Okay.
If the firm is receiving interest on drawings, so this is income for firm.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
So that means it increases the profit.
Yes.
So this is
Yes, ma'am.
correct. Yes, this is correct.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Come on, let's go ahead. Product method is used to calculate interest on the same amount withdrawn by partners at regular interval. Correct?
Correct.
What
Correct.
is product method?
It's a method to calculate goodwill. No, sorry, drawing.
You
Sorry, there was
multiply,
confusion.
right? If it is withdrawn
Yes.
at the beginning of every month or at
Yes.
the beginning of every quarter or at the beginning of everything.
Yes, ma'am.
So reason is also correct.
Yes,
Yes.
both are correct.
But is this reason correct for calculating interest on this drawings?
Now,
Product method is a method to calculate goodwill, right, Anas?
yes.
So is this reason a correct explanation of your assertion?
No. No.
Hmm?
No.
There
estimated
is a
goodwill is that?
statement. Interest on drawing increases the profit. I agree to this.
Yes, when I agree.
But to calculate interest on drawings, we multiply it with amount it per quarter or per whether he's withdrawing annually, semi-annually, in 15 days, whatever. Correct?
Okay. Yes.
We just do that. We multiply it with when he withdraws. But is
Yeah.
there any method, product method, this super profit method to calculate interest on drawing?
No.
Product method is method to calculate what?
Uh, Goodwill.
Goodwill.
Yes. Goodwill.
So
Yes.
reason is correct, but it is not the reason for your assertion.
Yes.
Yes.
It's not the correct explanation
It's
for
not the
our
correct
answer.
explanation for
D. Option D.
your assertion. So your option is what?
D.
Assertion is also correct, reason is also correct, but reason is not the correct explanation for your assertion.
Yes. D.
D.
Yes.
Come on, read ahead. 15th. Please read 15th.
Yes, ma'am. M, P, and A are partners in a firm having fixed capital of 8 lakh sorry 80,000, 40,000, 50,000, respectively, sharing profit in the ratio of 7 is to 6 is to 4. The rate of interest on capital was agreed at 10% per annum but was wrongly credited to them as 12% per annum. By what amount P's current account will be?
Okay. So we are talking about P. Okay.
Yes,
P should get interest on how much? Interest on capital, he should get how much?
interest on capital 40,000
Should
into
get
uh,
10%, right?
yes, yes,
So 10% of 40,000 is 4,000. Yeah.
yes, yes,
So
ma'am.
current account should be, so the account should be credited by how much? 4,000.
Yeah, 4,000.
But what did you do?
We gave them
But I
extra.
credited by 12%.
Yes,
Calculate 12% of 40,000, please.
yes, ma'am.
Not using calculator. Normal calculation. Anas, tell me the answer.
I got the answer.
How much?
It is 4,800.
12 fours are 48 and 0,
4,800.
0. 4,800. Okay. Now tell me, which one is correct? This one is correct.
Yes,
This one is wrong.
yes.
Extra credit is how much?
800.
Extra credit is how much?
800.
800. Then there is nothing given.
Yes,
Rate of
that's all.
interest on capital was agreed 10%.
Yes,
10% is 4,000.
yes,
And 12% is 4,800. By what amount T's current account will be? Next one. The partnership should be drafted and prepared as per the provisions of the
uh, Partners Act 1932.
1932.
Mm, mm.
Partnership should be drafted and prepared as per the provision of the Partnership Act 1932.
No, ma'am. It's Stamp Act.
Stamp Act.
Stamp.
Please
Yes.
remember, it is Stamp Act.
Okay.
Okay? Others don't get so happy. Come on, now try the 17th one
Okay.
yourself. I am pausing the video. Try it and one person will give me explanation.
Okay.
Come on and start.
Anju, Manju, and Sanju were partners in a firm running a successful business of car accessories.
Okay.
The profit sharing ratio is 1 divided by 2 is to 1 divided by 3 is to 1 divided by 6 or 1 by 6,
Okay.
respectively.
Okay.
After running business successfully without any dispute for 10 years, Manju decided to retire. Anju and Sanju decided to share future profits in the ratio of 3:2.
Manju decided to retire. Okay. Anju and Sanju.
Decided to share profit in 3:2. New profit.
Okay.
The accountant passed the following journal entry for Manju's share of goodwill and missed some information. Video
Okay.
accountant. Fill the missing figure. Calculate gaining ratio.
Okay. Come on, tell me.
It is 3
We have to
plus
reciprocal the share of
2 plus
Sanju.
6.
Sanju Baba.
So Manju is going.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So Manju will get
170.
goodwill.
Yes.
So she will get the goodwill.
Yes.
So she is the gaining partner.
No, she's the sacrificing partner.
Manju will get the goodwill, na?
Yes.
Manju is going to get the goodwill. And who's going to give that goodwill?
The sacrificing partners,
The
Anju and Sanju.
sacrificing partners. So Anju and Sanju
Oh, sorry.
will give Manju the goodwill.
Yes.
So they are going to gain because of Manju. So the entry for
Yes.
adjustment entry for goodwill is gaining partner debit,
Partner debit. Two sacrificing partners.
gaining partner debit, sacrificing partner credit because Manju is going to sacrifice her share of profits.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now tell me.
Now we have to calculate old ratio. Old ratio, it is 3/6, 2/6, and 1/6.
Hmm.
And to calculate gaining ratio, new share minus old share, 3/5
Gaining ratio, how do
minus,
you get?
yes,
How do you get gaining ratio?
gaining ratio, new share minus old share.
Okay.
Yes.
Suppose this was the old share. This is
Yeah.
Manju. Manju will go.
Yes.
This will be added to the old ratio.
Yes.
Yes.
So this will be added to the old ratio. So the new ratio is minus. So new ratio minus old ratio is gaining ratio. Yeah?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ratio.
Yes, ma'am. New share minus old share, gaining ratio. So,
Anas, do I can only see you staring.
3, 5, 5,
Where is your pen?
इधर
6,
Karo.
1/6,
हाँ
13, 15, 3/32, 16, 3, 6. The gaining ratio will be uh, 2/30, 3/30, and 2/30.
3 by 30 and
2/30, right?
okay.
तू गलत है
3 is to
हाँ
7. Huh?
एक मिनट चेक करता हूँ मैं गलत है
3 is to 7 na gaining ratio.
जी शायद
3:2 है
मैम 3:2 है
Look over here.
3
3 by 5th was the new ratio, half is the old ratio. So I made the base same. It became 6
yeah
minus 5
6
by 10.
yes
And over here I multiplied 5 by 6 and 6 by 5. So up and down
yes
I multiplied with the same amount.
yes
So it became 12 by 30 minus 5 by 30.
okay
12 minus 5 is how much?
12 minus 5 is 7
So it is 7 by 30.
yes
This
so
also has to become 30.
yes
yes
So it is
into
3
3
by 30.
okay
So it is 3 by 3 is to 7 is the gaining ratio.
okay
So Anju will get 3 share and Sanju will get 7 share.
yes
We
yes
have to
yes
fill the missing information.
yeah 3 by
Yes,
7 yeah.
yes
Yes
sir
ma'am
we have to fill the
so
missing information. So 10
Sanju
share, Anju is 3
10
and Sanju is 7. And total will be 10.
yeah
So 7 share represents how much?
21
21
21,000.
21,000 into
3 will be
30
question mark.
Yes.
So
20.
3 into 21,000 divided by 7.
Divided by 7.
7 ones are 7 threes are 21. So this
Yes.
becomes 9,000. So this will become 30,000.
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
9,000.
9,000. Yes, correct.
9,000 and 30,000.
Yes.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay.
मैम टाइम होगा स्कूल जाना है